what is when you look at the creative types you've worked with, or maybe haven't but you observe, is there a one biggest mistake that they make, that they commit when it comes to either copyright, registered trademarks, patents, what have you, when it's their intellectual property?
The biggest mistake that we come across is not doing anything.
Not doing anything.
Inactivity. Just, I've developed something, I've created my brand, I've, written a song, and I just take it for granted that it's mine. And I haven't taken any steps just to make sure that, GRN, does anyone have that name already out there, before I spend all my money investing in growing this brand.
Exactly.
I've written a song, and maybe I wrote it with other people. Who owns the song, right? You just take it for granted that, this is a community effort, and we're all working together. And if this becomes a #1 hit on the radio, we'll all share in the revenue. But right.
Yeah.
So I think that's the biggest that we come across is just.
And then for the patent side, when someone invents something, they're like, a lot of times they say, oh, once it starts getting big and getting traction, that's when I'll start patenting it. And by that time, it might be too late. So being reactive is just never the best choice. And that's part of the inactivity.
Yeah.
Right.
Because a lot of people come to us when the issue is forced, whether they get a cease and desist letter, or they're looking for investors who expect there to be some intellectual property to back up their concepts.
Gotcha.
And then at that point, it's, well, we have to do what we can with what you've done.
So we prefer happy and excited clients, not panicking clients, right? It's a completely different dynamic.
Yeah.
Based on where they are in that trajectory.
All right.